Hello, my name is Jaffer, and I've started my career in mechanical manufacturing industry as quality control inspector, where I spent over 4+ years of experience in maintaining quality product quality, and also maintaining the quality reports. And after that, due to family circumstance, I transitioned to Amazon, working as a customer service associate over there for North American and Canadian customers. Since childhood, I was always interested in computer and technologies. I always wanted to work with computers. Then one of my colleague from Amazon, he suggested me maybe I should try out software testing. And at that time on YouTube, there were a lot of free seminars going on. I attended 1 or 2 seminars and I got interested in estate. And I was looking for an institute to learn estate related skills. And I came across Crio. One thing I liked about Crio is that their slogan itself saying that learn by doing. So I thought maybe after doing some research, I thought maybe this institution is okay. So I joined Crio, where I learned all those estate related things, starting from normal manual testing to Selenium testing, and also test engine and other testing tools. I've learned from them. And after 11 months, I've moved to Referral pool, and I got placed in Abscribe. After conducting few interview rounds, they selected me, and currently I'm working in Abscribe as a software tester for application, web and mobile applications. Actually, after graduation, I didn't think much. Once I finished the mechanical, I joined the manufacturing industry, like that domain, mechanical domain. But after when I was working in Amazon, then only I realized then whatever skill set I have, it's okay, but I need to upskill myself in order to survive in this the workforce. So I started researching what's the best skill set I can have. I invested on my communication skill first. I joined another institution for that purpose, to upskill myself. I also have a certification that allows me to teach soft skill online. Then afterwards, I thought I also need some technical skills. That's when Crio came into picture. First of all, Crio is teaching in bits and pieces for even a beginner like me can understand. First of all, when I joined Crio, I had previous knowledge because on 11th and 12th, I was doing computer science and maths only. So I had a little bit of knowledge in C programming, coding or something, what is for loop and those basics knowledge. But Java, it's a total new concept. Collections, I didn't know about that. There are a lot of things, but they started from the basics. They started from gaming like structures. Then I learned little bit advanced to medium concepts from Java from them, and after that the Selenium, and everything was covered in a systematic way, so even a beginner can understand and cope up with that. In the Crio projects that we have done, a part of the curriculum, Qtrip was kind of like it has a lot of challenges to automate it. For example, if you take the search functionality, when you type something, the API calls were made separately for each letters, and it made it really challenging for us to automate. And sometimes the exceptions were throwing like stale element reference exception and other exceptions. We have to tackle it using retry mechanism. And then we also learned API testing on that project only. So I thought all the projects are important equally, but I thought I have learned more in the Qtrip project. That was the most challenging and also interesting project. Actually, I felt it's too much of burden. Sometimes, like for example, I have to attend most of the classes were conducted after 8:30 p.m. to 10. Sometimes it will be extended to 10:30 or 11 itself. So after that, you need to do the in-session activities then and there. Then only whatever you have learned in the class, you can practice. So the sleeping time will be around 1 or sometimes even 1:30 or something. Then when you work up, whenever you get time in the daytime, you have to do the post session. It's getting hectic little bit then and there, but I think that's how you learn. But I never thought of giving up because I already taken loan, and it's kind of like I had no choice to push through it. Even though I felt like a little bit tough and difficulties were there, but I managed it somehow. First of all, mentors, if I have to say, there were a lot of different kinds of mentors from different backgrounds. I met mentors who has a similar background, like he also from mechanical and then shifted to software testing. And also find someone who is working in Google, someone who is working in Amazon, someone who is working in Zoho, I believe, Walmart. Mentors are really friendly, and they cover whatever in the curriculum as per needed. And if you have any doubts, you can ask them at the end of the session. They will stay back like 30 minutes maximum. They will try to explain everything once again, so that no students will like have doubts at the end. They were really friendly, and I have no complaints about the mentors they have provided so far. All sprints I have completed over like 11 sprints. Mentors will be 8 mentors, I believe, total, because some mentors repeated the next sprint as well. So 8 or 9 mentors. All are great. When I moved to referral pool, I was a bit anxious at that time because the market right now it's not really good. That's what my surroundings were keep telling me. Then I also felt like finding a job is really going to be challenging, considering my background and everything. I'm fresher, so a little bit anxious, and I thought I also had skeptical. I was skeptical about the referral pool as well, and I started getting referral from the dashboards. So far, I have received around like 38 to 40 referrals, and I opted in only for 15 because of the location and other constraints. And some of the referrals I rejected because they are for intern to full time. It was mentioned there, so I rejected. And I have opted in for 12 to 15 companies, and out of which I received 3 interviews. One is from Kentar. Kentar conducted the first round of interview 10 or 12 days ago. I think it's over a month, I believe. They conducted the first round of interview. After that, they didn't give any response, or still now there is no update for that. The second company was from Bangalore. It's a free tiger, and they asked some advanced level questions, basic questions, linked list, I believe, related to. At that time, I was not aware of that. Actually, that sprint was not covered for me, so I couldn't answer it, and I failed that interview. The third interview was from Abscribe. Abscribe, they conducted like series of interview back to back. Now it's like 5 interviews. They conducted 2 technical, 1 communication, 1 HR, and also one small technical as well. After completing, they gave me an offer letter via mail, and they asked me to come in Bangalore. Abscribe is actually in Bangalore. They asked me to come in, and I joined on August 11th. Yeah, pretty much that's a relationship with POC. Actually, when I started, currently my POC is Deepika Dixit. She was really available whenever I needed. I just dropped her a message. Sometimes her number may not be available, but as soon as I raised the chat, she's the first person to contact, and she was quite helpful throughout the journey till now. We all tend to procrastinate a lot, and also we will put things up, but we have to maintain the discipline to practice every day, and also revisiting concept is really important. Because we human beings have the tendency to forget. I have a lot of forgetfulness. If I didn't go back and revisit whatever we learned, I cannot remember that next day. So I believe that one thing that people should follow is discipline in practicing. Even if you get just 1 hour, you are traveling to work, that time you can just revise whatever concepts you have learned. Just keep at it. Don't give up, and you will reach your goal. Just practice hard work. That's all.